Hi there, this is Ria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, riasupermomma. In this video, I will be featuring the new JuJuBe Nature Babe Backpack from their new exclusive collection with Target. And I will be comparing it to the JuJuBe All-Purpose Diaper Backpack from their collection with Amazon. The JuJuBe Creative Crew content creators have already posted some first look videos for this bag, so I will not go into detail on all the exterior and interior pockets. I will post links to their videos down below in the description box if you would like to see. In this video, I will be focusing on a bag comparison since the Nature Babe Backpack and the All-Purpose Diaper Backpack look very similar. Let us look at the similarities and differences between the two bags. Let's get started. In conclusion, the Nature Babe Backpack has similar features to the All-Purpose Diaper Backpack with a few differences here and there. The difference in price point is not that significant. The All-Purpose Backpack costs a few dollars more and has great additional features versus the Nature Babe Backpack. But the Nature Babe Backpack is for sure the more eco-friendly choice of the two, because the fabric is made from recycled plastic bottles, which would have otherwise gone to the landfill. So I hope this helps you in deciding which backpack to go for, the JuJuBe Target Nature Babe Backpack or the JuJuBe Amazon All-Purpose Diaper Backpack. So I will include product links to both down below so that you can check them out. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you'd like to see more JuJuBe content, head over to my Instagram at riasupermomma. I will place the link down below as well. I would love to hear from you there. So till the next time, bye-bye.